A major decision announced earlier today by the Supreme Court, preserving access to a key medication used in abortions, at least for now. The High Court unanimously deciding a group of pro-life doctors who challenged the FDA rules regulating access to the pill, Mifepristone, did not have standing for their lawsuit. The justices did leave the door open to other challenges in the future, which we will talk about. This marks a victory, certainly, for pro-abortion groups working to preserve reproductive rights following the Supreme Court decision to overturn Roe. Now, with that, let's talk about the implications of this on the health side. First, Dr. Pernell joins us, Regent at Large, American College of Preventive Medicine and Director of the NAACP Center for Health Equity. Welcome back. Your thoughts on this and the significance?
Thank you, Connell. This is very significant because wherever there is the potential for or the actuality of restricted access is how health and healthcare disparities arise. So the fact that the justices unanimously decided that Mifepristone can remain available is good. It's good for health equity. It's good for birthing people and women to have the full toolkit for appropriate abortion care.
When you talk about equity, let's bring up a map of the country and talk about where you're seeing or where you're concerned post-Roe about access right now.
Definitely. There are approximately a dozen or more states where there are near or total bans on abortion care. And this is a restriction for reproductive freedom and reproductive justice. What we know from a recent report released back in May, that approximately 57% of Black women live in these states with these very restrictive laws. So that's approximately 7 million Black and African American women who have reduced access to abortion care. And this just doesn't only impact one community, but that's an example of where there are barriers, one group can be disproportionately harmed.
As a quick final thought on this, what I'm hearing from you today, Dr. Pernell, is that, yes, this is significant, but boy, it would have been a huge story and significant, at least from your point of view, in a negative way, if they did not preserve access.
Spot on. We got to remain vigilant. We have to keep talking about civic health, helping people to understand how public goods and political systems are determinants of your health and healthcare outcomes so that people are fully informed and educated on what matters.
Dr. Pernell, we always appreciate your point of view on the show. Now, thanks so much for watching. Just go to joinnn.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.